have a bad case of diarrhea. I have a bad case of diarrhea.
We're at Shoppers Drug Mart in downtown.
And when you're ready, push the button.
This is gonna be fast.
Welcome to Shoppers Drug Mart. As you can see, this is like the world's fastest elevator you will find in downtown Vancouver. The reason why is because it's installed by Richmond Elevator and it has Dewhurst buttons because, you know, there's an ongoing financial crisis. So therefore, we have the world's fastest elevator. And to be safe, it still needs the level. Happy holidays.
Well, Merry Christmas.
Yeah,
But it's awesome.
some awesome shit we just encountered during our long kilometers of walking.
Well, this thing takes faster to go down.
Yeah.